Alright guys, so we have a nice little Toyota RAV4, a 2003-4 I believe. Came in for a nice upgrade of our 9-inch, 10-inch CarPlay module. So that's basically the main home screen, and that's your regular radio, the digital radio, which is right now playing, all your digital radio stations, whichever you want to play. Back, so that's front camera. Reverse camera is automatic if you choose to install a reverse camera, which this customer choose not to. Your CarPlay, that's your CarPlay, that's all set up. Just home, and your regular radio. A couple of other settings that you got there, and you've got your equalizer and all that as well. So it's quite a straightforward, nice, budget-friendly unit. Does the job, everything that you need, it's right there for you. Thank you for watching.